Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. For today's weekend special, I am going back to my grandmother's time of making a very traditional lunch menu of Vazhaikai podimas and Araipuli Kuzhambu. Very simple, traditional yet absolutely tasty. Come, let's see how to make it. This weekend, let's take a trip to our grandmother or Paati's house and have a typical traditional South Indian lunch, Paati style, where we have simple plain moong dal with a slight tadka, raw banana or Vazhaikai podimas. This is arapuli Kuzhambu with some groundnuts in it, sutta plum, that is roasted papad, curd and pickle. For the podimas, I have taken one raw banana. We will just trim the edges. We will drop it into some water. Allow it to cook till you are able to peel the skin easily. For those who are not familiar with South Indian cooking, you have heard of sambar, more Kuzhambu, vata Kuzhambu, kara Kuzhambu, so many varieties of gravies. This is called as Araipuli Kuzhambu. Puli Kuzhambu, that is without any added dal to it, similar to a vata Kuzhambu, but here we are going to add some freshly ground ingredients. Arai means to grind, Araipuli Kuzhambu. Let's see. For grinding the masala for the Kuzhambu, heat just a teaspoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 5 dry red chilies I have taken. Roast them well. When the dal changes to a reddish color, you can add about 2 teaspoons of fresh grated coconut. Don't add too much coconut, it is not required. This is enough. Now again stir fry everything well together. Switch it off and when cool, with a little water, make it into a fine paste. So for the Kuzhambu, our masala is ground and ready. Now we will take the tamarind extract. I had soaked one large lemon sized piece of tamarind. We will just take the extract now. Meanwhile, let us have a look at our vegetable. See, it has cooked well and you should be able to remove the peel like this. Don't make it too mushy because we need to grate it. So at this stage, we will switch it off and drain it out. Allow it to cool. We will come back to this once the Kuzhambu is ready. For making the Kuzhambu, it is recommended to use sesame, that is til oil. A few curry leaves in my hand, no problem. Now take about 2 tablespoons of til oil. Add some mustard seeds. A little bit of methi seeds. 2 dry red chilies. Hing, curry leaves, then add in this tamarind extract. Add a pinch of haldi powder, add some salt and allow it to come to a boil. Here in my pressure cooker, I had already boiled some moong dal to keep as plain dal, and here I had taken a handful of groundnuts, that is peanuts, and kept it for boiling. So this will drain out the water and add the peanuts to the Kuzhambu. You can add peanut, you can add this black chana dal, or you can add any vegetable like bindi or drumstick also. Now add this boiled peanuts to it. Now let it all cook together, and also the raw smell of the tamarind has to go away. We can just mash the dal. A simple dal, just with salt and hing, and a simple tadka of mustard, jeera and chilies. To the dal, just add the required salt, add some hing to it, Heat a little bit of ghee. Add some mustard seeds, jeera, 1 green chilli finely chopped, and a few curry leaves. We'll add to this simple plain dal. See, my grandmother's recipes never had any onion or garlic in it, so we are just making it in the exact same way. Meanwhile, the vegetable has cooled down a bit. See, we can easily remove the peel like this. Just smear some oil on the grater so that it doesn't stick to it, and grate it like this. That's why I say just boil it till it is just right. It should not become mushy, then you won't be able to make gratings out of it like this. See, this tip of applying oil, then you can easily grate and it will not stick to it much. Vazhaikai is grated and ready. Now take a small piece of ginger, peel it, and we'll grate that too. So this grated ginger is what we are going to use in the tadka. Now for making the Vazhaikai podimas, that is the raw banana sabji, heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, urad dal, one green chilli slit, the grated ginger, curry leaves, when the dal turns a golden brown, finally reduce the flame and add this boiled and grated raw banana and give it all a good stir. Just add the required quantity of salt to it. Mix it well. Just stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. That's enough. It's already cooked, isn't it? Now finally, this is optional. You can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated coconut if you have, or you can leave it like that also, no problem. Give it a good mix. Now we'll switch it off. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it. And that's it. Your simple and tasty Vazhaikai podimas is ready. See, our Araipuli Kuzhambu has been boiling well. Can you see it has also reduced in volume? The raw smell of the tamarind has gone. Now we can add this ground masala paste to it. Now let everything boil together for just another 2 to 3 minutes and your absolutely tasty Araipuli Kuzhambu is also ready. See, our Araipuli Kuzhambu has reached the correct consistency, boiling nicely. Now I'll switch this off. Just add a teaspoon of this til oil on top and it is ready. Side by side, we'll also roast some appalam to go with this. This is my all-time favorite of arisi appalam, that is rice papad. Now we are ready to serve our traditional Paati style lunch. This is the Kalathu paruppu or plain dal, Vazhaikai podimas, steaming hot rice, dry roasted or sutta appalam, some ghee, and this is our Araipuli Kuzhambu, homemade curd. Today I am serving this sweet raw mango pickle which I made when it was in season. First we mix this plain dal, rice and ghee, and alongside we have all the side dishes of the podimas and the Puli Kuzhambu also. Next we can mix with the Araipuli Kuzhambu and finally finish with curd rice. Thank you for watching the video. Do try out these simple yet tasty traditional recipes and come back to Gita's Kitchen for more such delicious recipes. We'll meet again in our next episode. Thank you.